Alright guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Yoowigs. Before I get started with all the deets, you already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and if you are subscribed to my channel, turn those notifications on so that you don't miss out on another video. This wig that I'll be showing you guys is the Royal Dream HD wig. This one is a curly 360 unit and it is a beautiful ombre color. This unit does come with that soft Royal Dream lace. It also has two combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And they also will add an extra detachable band in the bag for you. And they do say that they have new hand-tied knots and they are bleached, but they're only bleached in the very front part. They're lightly bleached. It is up to you if you are going to go in and bleach the wig even more. However, as you guys can see, as I'm holding this up really close, the knots on this unit are small, so powder or foundation or the Sally Hansen airbrush spray is going to work perfect if you don't want to take the extra steps. Here I am doing an extra step and I'm going in and plucking out the hairline just a little bit more. Now their units come nicely pre-plucked already. However, I always feel like I have to go in just a little bit just to kind of make it mimic my hairline, because my hairline is not perfect at all. It's a little bit thinner on one side. Of course it has dips and curves, so I'm going to pluck out the very front of it first, and then I'm going to take some of the hairs in the front, and then I am going to just do a back and forth motion. I'm making sure not to stay in one particular area, because the last thing you want is for it to look really bald. You do not want the bald look at all. Because they already pretty much done most of the work, it's not going to take me long to get it to where I need it to be. So it looks like I'm plucking out a lot, or I'm doing a lot, but I promise you it was just a very, very small amount of hair. So I'm just going to show you guys the product that I use to put in this hair to make it really define. I am using the Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream. Now I usually like to use the Lotta Body Curl Mousse, but this hair is super thick. It's 20 inches and it's 180% in density, and I just did not feel like that was going to define the curls like I really wanted it to, because that curling cream, well, that curling mousse is really lightweight and I needed something just a tad bit heavier. So I'm going to just brush this throughout the hair. Now I did not show me doing my part because I'm just putting it as a side part, and I have styled my curly wigs a bunch of times on this channel. I just want you guys to see the definition of the curls after I put the product in it. Let this unit air dry for about a day and a half, and this is the results of the unit. And as you guys can see, it has a really nice shine to it from that curl defining cream. So I decided to do kind of like a curved part, and then this is what it looks like on before I get to cutting off the lace. I'm making sure that it fits. Now usually I don't like to use their detachable band, but I did decide to go ahead and add it on because I wanted to see if it was going to fit me really good. My hair is braided down underneath, and my stylist usually does crochet them into each braid so that it's really flat, but I had to take them out because I do wash my braids before I go back to the stylist. So my hair is not completely super flat, so it did fit me really good this time, and this is a medium cap size, by the way. Of course, with most 360 units on the side by my ears, I always have to go in and cut a little bit of lace off. It's never too much, but it's just enough to make sure that the wig is sitting correctly and it's fitting by my ear. After I am done doing that, I'm going to go in and cut the rest of the lace off of this unit. As you guys can see, when I cut this lace off, look how well it is just laying. Like, I don't have any adhesive or anything on, and I don't plan on using it because I don't think that it is needed. Because I'm not using any adhesive, I am going to pull out just a little bit of that hair on the side and kind of camouflage any lace that is going to be showing. Then I'm just going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I'm going to go into the parting space and just a very small amount into the hairline, just where I see that it needs just a little bit of something to make it look a little bit more natural. I did go ahead and bleach my knots for about 15 minutes. I felt like that was all that was needed. I did not go in and bleach any more into the hairline because it already looked good. Like I stated, that is a personal preference, but you definitely do not have to do that. So now I'm just going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm going to work on fluffing up this hair, mainly focusing on the bottom of the unit, just because sometimes with curly units they can get a little bit dry. And on this color, it's an ombre 1B and a color number 4. It's going to look different in certain lightings, and the sunlight is going to look a little bit brighter. I do like this ombre color because I feel like it's just not doing too much, and it's not going to like scare you away from it. It's not really bright, but I do think that it is very pretty. You guys can see as I'm fluffing up the wig, it is getting super thick. So I definitely think that the serum is needed because, of course, with curly hair, it's going to start getting frizzier. And because this is pre-colored, then you are going to have to think about the frizziness that is going to happen throughout the day. Taking the hot comb, I'm just going to press into the hair and also in the front of the hairline. And I'm actually doing this backwards today. I'm taking the wax stick because after I pressed it out, I noticed some short hairs popping up. And that is one thing I did notice when I was styling the unit. The shorter hair seemed to be more on the right side than the left side. So I had to make sure to go in with that wax stick so that they would stay down. Alright guys, so this is the end result. This wig is very pretty. However, I do want to let you guys know that I did get some shedding during the washing process, and I also did get some shedding during the styling process. This hair is very thick. It is kind of heavy on my head, but it is 180% density and is definitely giving me that true 180%. This unit does come in 130, 150, and 200%. So if this is too much hair for you, I highly suggest going down, especially because it is the summertime. Then the more hair you have, the thicker the density, the more you're going to really have to take care of it. And we all know that curly hair, you do have to maintain it more than any other type of hair. This is 20 inches, but it's giving me 18 inches because it is curly hair. However, they do go all the way up to 28 inches. Ooh, that's a lot. That's long. But if you like it, girl, go for it. So the lace on their hairlines is bomb. I never have anything negative to say about their lace. However, with the Royal HD lace, please be very careful with how you are dealing with it. It is not for everybody. Even though it blends in very well, it is super easy to tear. But if you want a realistic melted in look, then I do suggest this lace, but you are going to have to really take care of it. Of course, because this is a 360 unit, you can style it in different ways: half up, half down, a high ponytail, and a low ponytail. Also, that hairline is bomb, y'all. On the website, they have two different options. You can get style 1 and style 2, which gives you different color options, different color combos. I have the style 1, and then I wanted to show you guys what it looks like in a middle part also. Guys, let me know what you think about this curly ombre unit. If you are feeling it, let me know down below. Of course, I'll leave all the details down below also with a coupon code. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Like, why you not subscribing, girl? Why? And also turn those notifications on. Share this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.